Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how you can log out of your X account. So first of all, you have to go ahead and open the X app. Now, the interface of X is a bit confusing and it can be overwhelming at first. There's a lot of options and a lot of buttons to choose from. And the logout option is kind of hidden. So it's not available to you on the home page, but you have to do some navigation and get there to find the logout button. So I'll show you how you can do that. So once you're in the Twitter app, what you have to do is click your profile icon on the top left, and then you can see a bunch of options there. At the bottom, you can see settings and support. You have to go ahead and click that. And here you see two options, settings and privacy and help center. So you have to go ahead and click settings and privacy. And again, there's more options. So you have to just click the first one, your account, and then account information. And there you can see the logout button. As soon as you go ahead and click that, you will be logged out of your Twitter account. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.